Mike, you got those booties, right?
What? Oh, what the f did I do with them?
I've been summoned. I've been summoned,
Go
Phil.
away for 2 days and look what happens.
Look how nice it is in here, Phil. Was it cleaner before?
Oh, you can see every part of the floor. He wants you to look upstairs. A miracle, a modern day miracle has happened.
Modern day miracle?
He's still up there, so.
He's enjoying it. You find my tools up there, Mike? The Milwaukee stuff will be here on the 17th. 5 boxes. Oh, you can walk through here. Holy
I gave up. I grabbed the tape. I turned back and said, what the hell has happened here?
look at all your stuff.
Yes.
Look at this thing. Remember this?
That, I've still got hope. That's going to go to a grandkid one day. Well, there's life, there's hope. She's getting a little dusty sitting here.
Oh my
Come on,
God.
Connor, get on it.
Look at that. Look at all the Cove.
Remember, we were supposed to gonna do antiseptic hand wash.
We should do a giveaway.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Yes.
Oh, that's dusty. Oh, my chainsaw. That's my chainsaw.
No, I gave that to.
I know. I'm kidding.
But that one's an antique.
No, there's the other one. There's the big one. Where's the big one?
No, I gave that away.
Oh, there's the Paul Rossi. Paul Rossi.
When the guy gave me the guy bought the 2 buildings. He collects chainsaws. So.
Yes, I bought one. Remember? There it is. Remember one of those I bought one? Or was that no? That was at the swap meet.
That was the
swap meet.
Yeah, the one that looked like something right out of Jason or
Yes,
whatever.
it was cool.
Okay, so are you guys going to be there in a little over an hour?
Yes, yes. And then if you stick around long enough, you could have the privilege to take us to dinner.
Could I?
No, but I'd like to take you to dinner, Kevin.
All right, well, I'm
Or-
leaving my home shortly, then I'll see you guys in a bit. Mike, you got those booties, right?
What? Oh, what the f did I do with them?
What, those blue booties?
Yeah, what did we do with them?
I don't ask me.
I
was not with you with
Well,
this.
all 3 vehicles are here. I have no clue. Maybe they're in the.
Well, you got about an hour and a quarter to figure it out while I drive.
If not, you got to buy some.
Well, I did.
There was
What-
only the one set. That's why
There's
I
only the
said
one
take it.
set.
what are you
Okay,
talking
they
about those-
gotta be somewhere. Dog booties for his dog.
Oh, dog booties. Oh,
Dog
God.
booties. Okay.
And you look at me as if I'm supposed to know.
Okay, I'll look.
That's off a Mopar.
That's 68 Charger grill. But I need lights up here. The problem is you can't even see.
Yes, you just need to replace these lights, Mike.
I know. Well, I think I need an electrician because they're all like. Look at them. I have.
Yeah,
no-
why are they dangling like that? Because someone tried to remove them and change them?
Yeah, well.
Was that you?
You can't just, like, you gotta wire them in. They don't just plug in. They're a pain in the ass. Right? I should just get an electrician in here and say, come and change them all.
Look at all this stuff you don't even know you have still. What's that horn from?
What?
What's those horns from?
Train.
Oh, that's cool. Those should go up somewhere.
Anyway, and then the guitar's here somewhere.
Open that microwave.
I'm afraid to. Blair thought it was pretty slimy.
Okay, well, it's cleaner.
Yes, it's amazingly clean.
Yes, you're gonna walk around.
Okay.
Like, look at all the stuff, though. 5 years. Well, it's been more than that now. Jesus.
Look at this.
What is it? How do you know what's in
Feather
there?
edger.
What is that for?
Well, that
Feather
was
edger?
part of the Indasa stuff. Rebuild kits for feather edgers. Right? Anyway. I don't know, it's all good stuff, man. It's all good stuff. See, how do these things plug in? Oh, they do plug in. Oh,
Yeah, it's a simple plug.
the ballast plugs in.
So, yeah, but you have to... No. You don't change the ballast and the light.
No.
You should just change the light here and be
Here,
done
wait a
with it.
sec. Okay. But you can't.
Why?
Because the ballast, it's the...
Oh,
Oh, the
it's the
ballast
light.
has to get wired in.
Yeah, but just change the light. It's probably the light.
No, wait a sec. I had some spares. But you gotta buy everything. You can't buy just the light with these pieces of
We've focused on about 12 different things in like the last 3 minutes. Which one's that off of?
I have no clue. That looks like Camaro.
It's not Corvette.
No, it could be Camaro. This is
New.
70.
That's newer Camaro. It's not old Camaro.
Yeah. Like a. No, that almost looks like Chrysler. No,
Yeah,
it can't be.
it's
No.
not Camaro because I have a Camaro console. Remember the cherry, whatever?
It could, no, that is like a Camaro.
The Camaro one is square.
No, but the shifter goes right there. I'm pretty sure that's.
But it's
Camaro.
newer then. It's a newer Camaro. It's not like a 68, 69.
No, that's 68. 68.
No.
Yeah, I
I
bet.
bet.
Hang on.
Look it up.
What did I come up here for? Oh, tape. I was gonna bring
What? All this? We did all this just for tape?
Yeah, just for tape. I lost my focus. What did you get? Tell me this is. What is this? Is this for me? Is this for somebody else?
That's from Lordco.
These are the headlight bucket. They aren't metal anymore, bro.
Nice.
Yeah, Jesus. And they do look nice.
But they're plastic.
I bet they
Yeah.
fit even better than they look.
Actually, you're gonna see.
This I gotta see. Oh man, and look at the depth. Oh.
Is it matching?
Oh yeah, probably, but I mean this is metal. Hot metal. Die-cast. Oh, that's great too.
Does it? No, it doesn't. Doesn't fit at all. Oh yeah, kind of. Okay, there we go. Yeah,
Close enough. Close
Yeah.
enough. Who cares?
Close enough. Who cares?
You spent $100 for the pair, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Anyway, it gives us something.
Nice.
I'm gonna make this. See if my buddy's got a metal pair.
Why bother?
Well, anyway.
Mike, you're fixing so many cars up.
I know this thing. We're already. What's the word? We're already underwater on it. Let's climb to the surface and break free.
Here, you had lunch or no?
No.
Okay, we'll have us some snacks then, courtesy of the office. That was from Amber gave me this for she gives it to every year. It's very nice. That's the Timber gave me that. You forgot your hat.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
Here, open this up.
Okay, let's see what
This makes up for the salmon that's still at my place in Quebec.
Who gives this to you?
Amber, you and I are sharing this. I might have opened the chips last night.
You might have opened the chips. Might have.
But no, pull
You
the
mean
stuff
they
out.
spontaneously open themselves?
Yes, pull the stuff out. Pull the cans out.
Salt pepper. Conformo, grissini, or romarin. Low fat, low cholesterol. What's this? Pesto alla Firenze, artichoke lemon. Ooh. I'm gonna dip that in the crackers. What's this? Not your typical can of seafood. Wild apple cortin.
Well, read what it is.
No, what's this? Scallops in Galician sauce.
Something like that, yeah.
Wow. Doesn't that look fancy?
Well, open it up and grab a cracker.
Well, no, I don't want to grab a cracker. I'm going to save this once you leave.
I'm going to eat some of it.
Oh,
Those look nice.
peperoncino, ripenno con cacio ricotta. Il gusto della Puglia. Can't pronounce it, but they look tasty. It's got to be stuffed red peppers or something, or red tomatoes.
Red peppers.
Wow. Vinegar de la region, champagne, Ardennes. Champagne, Ardennes vinegar. Ooh, that would be good on a tomato and onion salad. Look at all this stuff. Bon petisco, solid tuna. Look at all this amazing stuff. Hokey pokey.
You saying I don't deserve it?
You deserve nothing. Ooh, orange marzipan. Oh,
Oh, I might have opened
both
both.
bags. You might open both bags of chips. Those are good too. I don't want to spoil my suppers, this hot sauce.
Yeah.
That's an amazing selection. What's this one? Mussels in the sauce. Wow. That's amazing.
Are you going to open one of the cans?
No. I'm going to save them until you're gone. because I know you won't remember to take them.
The next day.
I'm almost out of gas. This is not on purpose. There's no alarm on this. I totally forgot to stop, so hopefully make it. Mike, do you have any fuel?
What?
I'm out of fuel.
1,300 kilometers to see you guys. Where'd you come from? Fort McNeil. Way up on
End of the island.
Yeah, end of the island. Is that far away?
Yeah. Well, yeah, by the time you go 500 to Vancouver, you're 4.5 hours to Vancouver. That's 500K. Another 300 up to the end. More plus the 2 hours in the ferry. Yeah, it's a long time.
Oh yeah,
Which one does he have?
Yeah, we wanted a holiday, and I said to my wife, "So we got 2 weeks off the restaurant. Why don't we come and visit?"
Come see what's happening.
Yeah. We stopped in last year, but this time you weren't around. Mike was. And
I was probably gone. We were out gallivanting across the country last year.
Lincoln. Hey.
Nobody brought you any food back there, head. Sorry.
He got steak last night.
Oh, I get. What do I get? Pork chops, and you get steak.
He got steak. Well, no, that was leftover from the dinner.
Sure.
The steak was so huge I couldn't eat it all.
Mike, this is the one she has.
Okay, we got some color ones. Does he like Chevy, Ford, or Dodge?
Chevy.
Michael.
Those for Blair, I hope.
Yeah, they are.
Okay, good.
They're for everybody now.
On me, we just ate a huge bite. Blair! You gotta stop. You gotta tell your parents to quit bringing us going. Here you go. They're laying there, yeah.
Is Tim Hortons always welcome here, or what? Hey, Michael, Blair. Is Tim Hortons always welcome here?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Without question.
Look at that physique.
More of the incredible expanding body man.
I think it's more about maintaining moments of happiness, biting into a donut because of all the despair and drudgery working with Mike.
Not despair and drudgery, but
Agony and torture.
craziness.
Thank you, Mike. Good.
You want first crack,
Oh,
Mike?
no.
Forget it. Yeah, come on.
Somebody might be a diabetic. Look at that. I brought some with nothing on it.
Yeah, okay. After. I got charcuterie board coming up.
I came all the way here, stayed in Kamloops and the belly, whatever.
Cassidy.
They've gone on hold. Is it kidding me? That's I ate there last time.
Oh, yeah. Here, guys, come and have a donut, just what you need.
It'd be rude
Everybody
not to.
took my apple fritters.
Well, I offered you first choice. And
Here, I'm gonna take the calorie wise. No, don't see the calorie wise.
Blair, let me see you.
Oh, that should be turned on.
I see your cars can be parked on a mirror or go to Fire Jack. This ain't going to Fire Jack's.
Your brother's here.
I know, he's looking for his dog boots and I lost them.
You lost them.
No clue, just a little.
They're blue rubber on the bottom and like gray and blue on the top.
Did you look in that box over there?
Are you sure you looked through the box? Did you look through that box?
I did look through the box.
Oh, the other box.
Yeah, the square.
Oh, this one, try
Tire.
this box.
What happens when I clean up? You can't find that.
Not this one, there's another one.
No, that box.
That one's
The
empty.
tire.
This box.
Yes, look in there. All that stuff came out of your truck, Mike.
Oh.
Oh no, we didn't look in that box.
And look in this box, this is a different box.
So many boxes.
Ooh, those are nice looking gloves there. Can I have those?
What?
Those white and red.
No.
Those are like nice.
Yeah, well, give me $20, I'll sell you.
For what?
This came out of the truck? Which truck? Oh, maybe.
Mike, give him the dice.
I saw the dice. I don't want the dice.
Find him?
No.
Mike.
Look through that box again, it's gotta be there, man.
Who went through this box? You, Kevin, or Mike?
I honestly did go through this box. No.
No. Hang on. Oh. Try right.
Holy far. What the hell? A whole bunch of registration papers.
Yeah. Oh, what's that? Right at the bottom. No, beaners. Hang on. Carabiners. Where can the dog booties be?
Yeah, no.
Mike took them, battery charger. Mike took them away from me.
GoPro. That's probably yours.
Oh, actually, no, that's good. That's a good one.
Yes, it is mine, but
was.
Mike will just take it now.
Yes. Oh, man. I ordered 2 more.
No
Oh,
gloves.
that's a nice one.
Yes, it's a decent. As long as it doesn't wear out.
Excellent. Yeah, the other one wore out. This is better. Wow. Okay, we'll take you for dinner, Kev. You going for Mexican?
Hold on, we gotta get pictures. Hoodie pictures.
Let's do it. So, where is this from?
So this is Mauzy Cider out in Newfoundland. When we first got hosted the first night at Smuggler's Cove, when we accidentally showed up there for dinner and ended up
Invited to stay for a couple days.
To stay and
Fed us and
I said, hey, I make cider and I'm interested in cider. And I said, oh, here, try this. This is local. So I did, and it was delicious. And then a couple days later, I just reached out to them on Facebook and said, hey, I had your product when we were hosted at Smuggler's Cove, and it was delicious. And thank you very much. And I turned them on to a really cool book called Uncultivated that I guess they've been reading. And anyways, in December, I put in an order and they shipped me out a case of cider. Got slightly damaged by Canada Post, but that's another story. And included in it was this lovely Mauzy hoodie.
4XL.
No, it's a 2 and a little long. Anyways, and then this is the Smuggler's Cove
Yes.
hoodie.
Same logos.
So, boys, be awares. We're coming back. Lock up the women. Leave out the lobsters. We're coming.
Yeah, try the cider.
Try the cider.
Support your local Smuggler's Cove and
Yes.
Mauzy Cider.
Smuggler's Cove, Mauzy Cider, yes. And look, there she be by the flag of Newfoundland.
There it is.
Lord Tunner and Jesus. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. And we will make it back this year. So we'll give you guys some heads up, do some posts. This is the one we're bringing this time. So don't be looking for the green one. Be looking for the blue one.
Is that what you're taking?
Yes, and if you can't find me, just look for this funny looking guy right there with that hat. We'll be close to him.
Oh yeah, the black one.
Yes, driving a black Parisienne, Canadian only, eh? Thanks, guys. Happy New Year. Peace, love, and joy. Remember, those that have should give, just like the people in Newfoundland. And you guys gave us an amazing trip. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.